Once the fiber optics cable carrying the ST2110 streams is plugged to the meters SFP Plus connector, if we click on the triangle icon on one of the panels, we will see two new features. SFP parameters. This area summarizes all the information related to the SFP Plus module, its bitrate, part number, power consumption, temperature. This will help us detect whether there is any basic physical malfunction with the SFP Plus module. ST2110, which includes the following analysis areas: SFP network management. If we drag the left menu to the center, we will see a number of fields that will allow us to set up our meter's IP address, subnet mask, and gateway's IP address in the ST2110 network. Note that in case DHCP IP address assignment is used in the network, we will need to activate that option in the menu, and then the meter's IP address, subnet mask, and gateway's IP address will be automatically assigned by the DHCP server. If VLAN are in use for the ST2110 traffic, we will need to set the right VLAN identifier in this menu as well. In case of doubt, set the VLAN status to off. Once all of this is correctly set up, we should see in the SFP network management widget how the packet counters, packet received and transmitted, keep increasing.